Hi everyone, welcome to another journal video. This is a normal art journal page, and if you saw the vlog last time, you are gonna see, basically you already saw the behind the scene of this video, so let's start. I'm gonna use again my usual art journal page, and now I decided to have, I need to have a profile face, so I just selected two of what I have in my magazine, and I decided to use the second one, this one. So I'm gonna cut and let's start. So I don't need any hair, anything. I just need the profile, and then on that journal I want to have this profile coming from above and then going down. And then I will split the page into half, on the bottom and on the top. So I'm just gonna draw some few lines with the pencil just to have some guidelines, and then I decided to paint first the page with the acrylic paint, and I'm gonna use just the blue shade that I had on my stash. This is just to have a kind of preparation of this cutout, because we are gonna then use watercolor on the page, and I didn't want to have any face any line from the photo, let's say. So then I'm just gonna prepare the photo so everything is gonna be blue, and we don't have any line, any detail on the page or on the face. And the idea of this page basically came from a picture that I saw on Pinterest. I'm gonna put somewhere here on the video, on the screen. And basically I saw this profile, and I decided to have something on a page, on a journal page, with a split between the two pages. So it's kind of, I thought, when I saw that picture, I thought, okay, something moving the profile into another section. So that's the idea, the basic idea. So I decided, okay, maybe it can be like the night. So it's gonna be the night moving into the place instead of the sunset. So we are gonna have the sunset scene on the bottom of the two pages, and on the top instead it's gonna be basically the night coming in. I don't know if you can follow my thought, but that's how I imagine this page. And so I'm starting putting some layer of the sunset. So I'm gonna start with some yellow, orange, and then transition to kind of reddish. It's a mix of red and pink actually, and then purple on top. And then when we will put the face, we will have then the night that is gonna be blue basically on top. And I did the first layer, but then I needed two layers basically, because it was too shaded, I needed more color. I don't know, I needed more color. So the important on this one is that to overlap the color pretty easily, use some water, because this is a watercolor, so it's easy to blend if you use the color, and then overlap between the first color to the second color, and then you're gonna have this kind of blended look of the sunset. It took me a while to have, because I needed to coat as well, but it's really beautiful to see, to be honest. I really like it. And every time that you put the color on top or some more water, then the other basically is gonna reactivate, because it's just a watercolor, so it's easy to blend again. So now I'm gonna put some watercolor on the magazine cutout as well, to kind of use the same color that I'm gonna have on the page. So I'm gonna do here first on the magazine before gluing everything on the page, and then I'm gonna again do it when it's in the page. And I'm referring to my sketch here to understand which color I need to use. I want to have again a similar transition from lighter blue, actually purple, lighter blue, and then dark blue on top. So I'm gonna select a few color and try to do the transition there. So now it's time to glue everything there. And I glue it with my, not a wonderful one, but what I had again in my stash, with my matte medium, the Ranger matte medium that I ate, but I'm almost there to finish. And finally I'm just gonna glue in the middle of the two pages. I could do in two ways. I could have cut the page in the middle instead of gluing in the middle of the two pages, but in this case I decided just to push very well into the section, so then I will be able to open and close the the journal easily, so that's what I did. And now it's time to put all blue watercolor also on the top part. And again, I'm gonna transition, so I'm gonna color as well the face as well, so then it's gonna have similar color, let's say, on the two parts. That's what I was doing. I wanted to have some more dark color again, so I'm kind of doing a third coat, but it's gonna be very light because I wanted to have some kind of split between the purple and the blue. And maybe I could have done by masking and having a bit more net split between the two pieces, but in the end I like it as it turned out. The only thing that I didn't like, but you will see later, because I'm gonna dry everything and then basically it's gonna be my coat, but this is what I don't like, those curly lines that I was thinking, let's say, to simulate the hair of this face, but no, I didn't like it. And basically I'm gonna kind of remove or smooth it a bit more later. I was doing also with the pencil, with the marker, the Faber-Castell marker, but no. Luckily that I just put some water basically on the brush, and then I could smooth a little bit more that lines, because I really didn't like it. But yeah, you tell me in case in the comment, let me know if you prefer in this way or in the other way. As always, I have my preference, you know. And that's basically it for the base of the page. Then I'm gonna add some detail with the marker and something else. And by the way, if you like so far, just give me a thumbs up on this page, and I hope I'm gonna be able to create another page soon, because for the moment it's summertime and my son is home, so let's see what I can do. And as you see there on the page, I was doing some splashes to have with the white acrylic paint, just to have some stars in the night. And now I wanted to have a bit more detail. I wanted to use another medium, so I decided to use the pencil and just adding a few lines with the same color on the same section, let's say, that is on the sunset. And I like it a lot. Those small details, I think, make a difference. I don't know. And then again, I was adding some hair, but that part I really don't like. And now it's time for the quote, and basically that's the page, it's almost done. And the quote that I decided to use is: turn off the lights, night is coming, don't be afraid of the dark, be a star and keep looking up. I saw this quote again on Pinterest, but I modified a little bit just to have more to refer more to the night sky scene that I was using. And I'm just using my black brush. I'm not taking a lot of attention on how I'm doing. I was tired basically, so I'm just putting some calligraphy, my calligraphy style there, not really a modern calligraphy. And then since it was dark on the dark side of the sunset, I mean when the purple is there, I wanted to have a bit the quote a bit more pop up, let's say, and so I added a few lines as always with my white Posca pen. I really like to add this detail every time, and I think it makes a difference on the quote at least, because you know, black on dark side, I want to have some pop up a little bit. Then, since I had my Posca pen on my hand, basically I decided to add some few additional star on the night part of the sky, and I'm just gonna draw some line to make more sparkle stars in the night, and that's, I think, make more the scene be together. Let's say everything is now all together. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.